Hi everybody, my name's Rebecca. I'm from PaperSource here in Chicago. One thing we say at PaperSource is do something creative every day. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do printmaking out of stamps made from cardboard. To start with, you'll need a cardboard box, paper, scissors, tape, and paint. Oh yeah, and some glue. First, cut your cardboard into smaller pieces. Next, draw shapes onto your cardboard and cut them out. These shapes will become your stamps that you use for your printmaking. Next, you'll need to make a base for your stamp. Start with a strip of cardboard and fold it. You'll need a place to stick your stamp and a handle to hold on to. Once you've folded it like this, take some tape and wrap it around the section that's going to be your handle. I'm using masking tape here, but you could also use Scotch tape or washi tape or even packing tape to tape it all together. All done! Now it's time to glue your shapes to your stamp handles. Apply some glue to the back of the shape. I'm using some tacky glue. You could use PVA or Elmer's or any other kind of craft glue. Once you have it on the back of your cardboard shape, go ahead and stick it to the base of your stamp handle and let it dry. Make as many stamps as you want to. Now it's time to start printing. Squirt out a little bit of paint onto a surface like foil or a plastic dish, and then thin out the paint with a scrap of cardboard. This will make it easier to coat your stamp. Then go ahead and take your stamp and blot it onto your paint. You may need to blot it a couple of times to get your shape completely coated. Then it's time to start printing. You can keep adding shapes to the paper in whatever design you choose. You can even add different shapes and colors to the same page. Once you're done with your design, it's ready to frame. You can also try this printmaking on projects like t-shirts or this pencil pouch. Have fun adding palms and filling it with your favorite things. Thank you so much for crafting with me. For more fun projects, visit PaperSource's Instagram feed, where we post a new craft recess every weekday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern.